Welcome, in front of me is Redmi 13x, and in this video I will show you how to fix auto brightness on your smartphone. To do that, go to settings, then find display and brightness, and here to toggle automatic brightness, switch this toggle to the left and to the right. Again, you can also change the brightness automatically, or if you disable automatic brightness, instead you can use sunlight mode by switching this toggle right here. Now, if your automatic brightness doesn't work properly and you doesn't seem like you can change it, then just turn off your screen by pressing the power button once and use the piece of cloth or just a dry towel or maybe a paper towel to wipe the surface of your screen, especially near your frontal camera, in order to clean the sensors, the light sensors on your device. Then enable your device's screen once again, and to refresh your sensors, press power button and volume up key at the same time, slide down to reboot and wait until your device is restarted. And once your device is restarted, everything should start working normally, and you can improve the quality of your automatic screen brightness by going into settings, making sure that you are connected to the internet, then search for the update, find the system update in your settings. Once you find it, click on it and check if you have any updates for your device, and if you do have any, then download and install them and apply them, of course. And after that, your device's hardware will be working perfectly. And I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.